Hi, I apologize for the emails this afternoon. I was trying to do a quick answer for you so that you could get going on your questions, and I didn't have my iPad with me at work, and so I wasn't able to sort of do an explanation and look at this in detail. So let's do that now. You are asking about the question which one was it? B, I think. Write the event a fish chosen at length has a length over 4.8 inches. Okay, and then find the probability of this event. So finding the probability of this event, you're right. If you do a z-score, in this case what you want is over 4.8 inches, and the mean length of the fish is 7.8, and your standard deviation was given as 1.8. So if we calculate that, we have 3 over 1.8, negative 3, sorry, over 1.8. And that gives us a negative z-score of 1.6, let's call it 1.67, because we'll have to round it off there, okay? All right, so now that we have our z-score, this is asking us for all of the fish of a length over 4.8 inches. So I'm just going to bring up our z-score chart here. See if I can make this big enough that we can read it. So this z-score chart, what it does is it tells you the probability of all the values less than the z value that we're putting in. So if I look at negative 1.67, I've got 1.6 here, and 1.67 goes all the way over to here, then I get a probability of 0.0475. But what that is on the normal curve, our z-score is here, and it's giving us this value. And so what we need to do is actually go 1 minus 0.0475, because we're interested in this area under the curve. We want all of the values to the right of that size of fish, of that length of fish, because we want that length and higher. And so if you subtract those, you'll get 0.9525, I think. That's the probability that they're asking for in this question.